Yan, karating lang ni Deroning sa bahay. Oh, ayan si Goy, tumutulong sa bag. Oh, Goy, did you miss your mama? Did you miss your mama? Oh, okay. Come on, CJ. Come on, CJ. Ayan. CJ boy. Did you miss your mama, CJ? So, ayan, mayroon po tayong pasalubong. Choo-choo train. Okay.
Let's go.
Race car? Okay, wait. Sige, dun ka. Dun ka kasi ang zipper. Okay, ano, buksan na natin yung pasalubong natin sa kanila. Ayan.
CJ,
Wow! This is from Tita Archie. Tita Archie and Tita Dons. That's yours.
This one?
Okay?
I don't like this.
This is Mickey Mouse.
I don't like Minnie Mouse.
This is Mickey Mouse. And you have a...
Where's yours?
Oh. This is Ate. That's Ate and that's yours. And this is your bag. Ayan, okay? That's from Tita Beth, okay? And Tita Arlene. Okay, and then meron siyang sleeper. And that is yours.
It's a flaggy.
Oh. Okay. And kay CJ,
Dada, look, I got a
buksan natin.
Awesome.
May may sleeper si Kashana from, saan na yun kaya?
What are we gonna do with this line and queen?
Saan yung sleeper niya na binigay ni
What are we gonna do with this line?
Tita Archie?
Mama, is it a toy?
Nandito ata sa bag. Ha?
It's like when you're going to play.
Aha. Ayan. Okay. Aligoy. Ali. Ayan. This is from Tita Archie and Tita Dons. Look. Look. That's yours, okay? So what you gonna say to Tita?
Thank you.
So thank you very much. Thank you. O sige na, isukot. Okay, Dad. Ha? Okay. Buksan daw natin.
Books.
Mhm.
Chocolate. Why is there chocolate in here?
That's for Daddy.
Oh.
Babe, come here, babe.
I'm giving you something. It's yours.
Wait lang, putang muna doon.
It's chocolate for you.
Hold on, CJ. We'll get,
Dada, in my backpack has chocolate for you to eat.
Where is the scissor? Scissor. Go, ikuha ka nga ng scissor. Dito.
Oh, yeah, it's over there. I take this off.
Okay, bigay mo sa akin.
Right there.
Bibi.
Truck.
Okay, come on, CJ.
Bar truck.
Come on. Dito. Come here.
Party truck.
Ayan, gusto niya yung fire truck. O, tingnan mo si CJ ka. Oh, Daddy is here. Oh. Where's Daddy's stuff? This is Daddy.
Oh, nice.
I like chocolate.
And that's Daddy's.
Oh, wow.
New York.
From Times Square. Wow.
Times Square Hershey's.
Nice.
Oh, okay, here. Ayan, kay Dada at kay CJ na sleeper. Okay, siya. Boy.
High D's. Gotta hide these. Those are
Na
daddy's.
Goy. Sukat mo, Goy. Gusto ni Krishana ang niya. Okay, that's yours. Sukat mo. Suot.
You went to Hershey store?
Yes, we went to M&M's.
Oh, nice.
We didn't find something.
Wow, that matches your outfit. Awesome. That's,
We'll see if Tita Archie will see if it fit or not. Oh, wow, that's perfect.
look at that. It matched. I picked the right
Oh,
outfit today.
yeah. Perfect.
Outfit
Oh,
matches the shoes.
perfect. Good job.
Uh-oh, Louis.
Yeah, he loves his fire truck.
Mama.
Wait. Oh, sige, natin.
And what's in here?
Okay, hold on lang. Tulungan natin si CJ. That's mga food.
In that spicy bag? What?
It's not spicy.
Is it inside there? In the spicy bag? Does that bag have spicy in there? I'm not gonna eat it. And what's in here? Oh, a butter.
Wala lang din may sticker.
What's in here? What?
That's mama's stuff now, Goy. Wala na
And glasses.
Wala na. My glasses is there.
Mommy, guess what I ate last time? This one. Mama, he's sleeping. Me and Dada ate these.
Okay. That's good.
Because we watch TV. And I ate one and I like it.
Medyo maano siya. Ayan, gusto ni CJ. Nilagay niya yung bluey. This one is for the fire. Choo! That's part. So this is ladder, CJ. I think ganyan.
Mom, is this for
Oh,
the
right
food?
here.
Is this for the food?
Right here.
Is this for the food?
Yeah, that's for the food. And look.
Why you bring it?
So we're gonna put the dog, CJ.
Dog.
Put
For a
the dog.
dog?
Put the dog right here. Like that. Here's the dog. Put the dog dito. Dito pala ang doggy. Dito ang doggy. The doggy is dito. 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 There you go.
Where is
Oops.
the dog?
What
doggy?
This one, little doggy.
That's not a doggy. That's a puppy for their hands.
Oh, this is for the sa hands?
Yes.
Where?
Oh, it's
That-
for Bluey's hands. The schedule. Look. Look up the back of the schedule.
Okay. So si Kishana alam. Hindi mo ano kabi. That's for
Fire truck. For Bluey's hands.
fire truck. Thank you, Ate. Look, CJ. Ganyan pala siya. Okay.
Dog.
The dog is here. Look. Yes, honey.
I have to tell you something.
Okay.
Dad.
Ayan. Ito yung...
You see that chocolate bag?
Hala, si CJ. Ito yung, gusto niya.
Where's door?
Yung bigay mo kay CJ na fire truck. Ayan. Actually, ito yung kay CJ from, kay CJ from Tita Beth and Tita Arlene. Ito. At ito yung kay Christiana. Ito yung kay Christiana. Ayan, Tita Beth and Tita Arlene, thank you so much. At yung slipper niya. At meron din silang bag. Ayan. New York. Magagamit ito ni Christiana at Tibet sa sa school.
That's not mine. That's CJ.
No, this is yours, honey.
CJ?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it
That's
Minnie Mouse
yours.
or Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse. It's unisex. You
What?
can use it. You can put some water here
Wait.
for your
That-
school. You didn't open it. You have stuff in here. Look.
Okay. I'll open it.
I'll close it so you can open it. Ayan.
Let's go.
Ayan, mag-thank you ka kay, Tita Arlene and Tita Beth. Meron kayong pasalubong.
Ooh.
Mm.
Is
Ayan.
this chocolate or not?
Open. That's Aladdin. Sitting na mo.
Open it.
Do you like your sleeper?
Wow.
Cute.
Buttons.
Cute.
Thanks, Mama.
So, thank you, Tita Arlene
Thank you, Tita
and
Arlie.
Tita Beth.
Tita
See?
Beth.
Makikita mo yung
What's that?
Makikita mo yung princesses.
Oh,
Here.
nice. You pick a card, and what's there?
Yeah, you pick a card and you can see.
So what are we gonna do when we
Makikita
pick a
mo.
card? What are we gonna do with these?
It's a game. It's just toy. You can just see a picture. Who's the character name? So what's the character name?
I don't
Okay?
know.
baby. There's a character name here. Okay?
What is all these characters?
Mm.
Moana pumpkin.
Yeah. The see the character name is Kakamora.
Hakamara?
Kakamora, the menacing sailor. Nala, Lion King. Sumerian talisman. That's Kit, Cloud Kicker. Gyro, Garlus. Ano si CJ doon na. Malinis ang bahay mga kaibigan kasi nag-pick up ng toys.
Man, I like
Clean up si
these.
CJ na busy na talaga doon. Okay, so ito yung ating mga dala.
That only?
Mhm.
Why? Mama,
Ah,
why you get
ito yung mga pasalubong nila Tita Donna and Archie. Tita Archie, pandesal. Do you want pandesal?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
I want candy salad.
Pandesal ito. Pandesal at ito. Oh, tinapay na ube kasi paborito nila ube eh. Oh, wala kasi ito ditong ube. Pandi ube. Pandi ube breads. Ayan. Oops. Plastic. At ito yung gusto ko mga kaibigan na monay. Munay. Sa amin brown bread pero doon munay ang tawag. Ayan pa. Pandi ube. Hala, ang gawa ni Donna na tinapa. Grabe, ilagay ko na ito sa freezer. Ayan. Thank you, Dons. O, yan. Ozzy's kitchen. Thank you. Okay,
Okay,
gawa
I
ni
want
Donna.
candy salad.
Yung pandesal now.
Yeah.
Okay, please wash your hands. Chorizo ni Donna. Lutuin pa natin to. Ayan siya. Say thank you, Tita Dons.
Thank you, Ate Yon. I love these things. I love these.
I love this daw.
No,
Say thank you, Tita Beth. Kay, ano ka? Nanonood si Tita Beth sa'yo. Yan, from Dons.
It's easy
At
game.
saka bagoong.
It's easy.
Ayan mga kaibigan. Iba kasi yung weather doon at iba yung weather dito. Kaya thank you very much. Kay Dons and Archie. Sobrang grabe. Sobrang grateful talaga kami sa kanila dahil sa the best experience na binigay nila sa amin habang doon kami sa New York. Sobrang bait nila lahat doon. Grabe, nakakamiss na nga sila. At yung mga families nila doon, bagoong gawa ni Dons to. Pang mga kaibigan, tawag dito, pang dinengding. Ayan, bumili ako ng ito, pang baon sa mga bulilit. Goy, ito yung binili ni Mama, para sa inyo. Hindi? Ano to?
That popcorn or not?
Halika. Ay, mamaya na lang. Kasi pandesal ang kanila. Ano mga kaibigan nyo? Maraming variety dyan. Ito, gusto nila yan. Okay?
What is that? You open it? I want to see it.
It's look like this. Look, the picture. Cookie. You want it? It's cookie. Okay.
I don't want it.
Alright.
Yeah. My daddy.
Pandesal daw mo.
I only eat pizza. Where's gatas?
With gatas? Okay, sige. With gatas.
First we have to open this.
Okay. At chorizo man din ito na. Chorizo.
That bag now.
Ito yung chorizo na bigay ni...
Chorizo in there.
Yes, chorizo di Inway Cebu. Ito yung binigay
Is
ni
it not
Ma'am.
spicy? No? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
Nanti ko lang. Ito yung bigay ni Ma'am Chorizo DNY Cebu. Ayan.
Mama.
Baby, isara mo yung ano, ilagay natin sa freezer. Freezer pa po, naka-frozen pa. O,
I
ayan.
want to eat. I want to eat.
Lutuin
I
pa
want to
to.
eat chorizo
Ano
now.
pala to, ha? Maya na, magluto tayo. Tikman mo din yung chorizo ni Tita Dons.
And I'm done eating my.
Ito pala siya ay tocino pala to, nakalimot ko. Tocino.
And I'm done eating
Tocino.
my. I'm done eating my.
Okay. Ayan, dito lang, hindi nagdala si ano. Ayan, bibigyan ko sana si Ate Janet. Hindi daw, dito na lang daw lulutuin. Ayan po. So, ito mga kaibigan, ibalik ko siya sa freezer. Ibalik ko sa freezer habang matigas pa kasi hindi pa ako magluluto ngayon. Kararating lang natin. Ayan. Chorizo. Oh, chorizo DNY Cebu po ito. Galing pa ito ng New York. Ayan, hinatid nila sa akin. Binigay nila kasi taga doon sila. So, ibalik ko na ito sa ref. At lutuin natin ito. So, ayan mga kaibigan. Medyo medyo ano pa yung aking tenga. So, ayan po lahat. Maraming salamat po at sa mga kaibigan natin doon. Nila Ate Marisa. Thank you so much po sa inyo dyan. Sobrang saya natin. Sa lahat-lahat, maraming salamat at lalong-lalo na po kay Dons at kay Archie na sobrang hospitable po nila at talagang sobrang good time talaga kami. Sobrang ang saya ng aming biyahe. So, walang non-stop habang while we're there. Doon ka. Doon ka. Tayo. Yun. Kaya, thankful talaga kami as in nakakaiyak. Nakakaiyak na.
Mama, I said I want.
Thank you. Bye-bye.